Blanc AI has just hit the market, and if you're looking for the most cutting-edge software to elevate your digital experience, you're in the right place. In this Blanc AI review, we'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know, whether you're a beginner or an expert. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how this powerful tool can revolutionize your workflow. Stick with me because we'll dive into some key features you won't want to miss. First off, Blanc AI is designed for businesses and individuals who need a streamlined, high-efficiency tool that can take their digital marketing and content creation to the next level. It's a cloud-based platform that combines machine learning with automation to make processes more intuitive and less time-consuming. One thing that stands out about Blanc AI is its simplicity. You don't need to be a tech genius to get started. The user interface is incredibly clean and easy to navigate. So if you're someone who's new to AI, you won't feel overwhelmed. It doesn't matter whether you're looking to automate customer service, create content, or analyze trends. Blanc AI makes it all easy to do without needing complex programming skills. Another impressive feature is Blanc AI's integration capabilities. It easily connects with platforms you're already using, from CRMs to social media and email marketing tools. This means that you can seamlessly integrate Blanc into your existing tech stack, saving you hours of manual work and making your day-to-day operations run much more smoothly. Let's talk about content creation. Blanc AI shines in this area by offering advanced natural language generation. Whether you need blog posts, social media content, or ad copy, this software can generate it for you, fast. And it does this in a way that feels natural, human-like, and highly engaging. If you're someone who struggles to come up with fresh ideas or spend too much time on writing, Blanc AI is a game changer. Another standout feature is its predictive analytics. Blanc AI doesn't just gather data, it analyzes it in real time, giving you actionable insights that can guide your decisions. This is particularly valuable for digital marketers and business owners who need to stay ahead of trends. It helps you make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategies and improve your ROI. Blanc AI also has a built-in automation tool that handles routine tasks such as customer follow-ups, appointment scheduling, and inventory management. Imagine having more time to focus on strategic planning while Blanc handles all those repetitive tasks in the background. And here's one of the best parts. Blanc AI is completely free to try. That's right. You can test out all its features risk-free. So if you're curious about how it could fit into your business or personal life, just hit the first link below to sign up for your free trial. This way, you can experience the software firsthand before committing to anything. Before we wrap up, remember that Blanc AI is just one of the many tools I've reviewed. After testing thousands of AI softwares, I've compiled a list of my top recommendations for various digital marketing needs, all of which are available for free trials in the description. If you want to stay ahead in the game, Blanc AI should definitely be on your radar. Try it out for yourself and let me know how it goes.